Through 10,000 stepping stones of progress, Thomas Edison transformed what many would see as darkness into the brilliant or eternal light of innovation and perseverance. This is the light that illuminated our darkest corners. Not just electricity, but human persistence. The same light that kept the Wright brothers working when flight seemed impossible now propels us beyond our atmosphere. The flame that guided Marie Curie through uncharted scientific territory continues to burn in laboratories, rewriting our understanding of matter itself. And that spark in a California garage now powers global innovation at unprecedented scale. Through every era, the journey remains the same. The tension before transformation, the persistence through failure, and the moment when possibility becomes reality. This is not the story of just a few great inventors. It's the story of a flame that burns in all of us. Tonight, we celebrate you who stand in a lineage of light bringers, illuminating humanity's next great chapter. Please welcome our 2025 Edison Award winners.